Frigidaire Refrigerator Repair Services in Dallas and Fort Worth specialize in Frigidaire refrigerators that consist of Frigidaire refrigerator freezers and Frigidaire French door refrigerators, along with all other Frigidaire refrigerator models. Is your refrigerator not cold enough? Is your refrigerator's water dispenser not working? Or your refrigerator's ice dispenser might not be working? Maybe your refrigerator's not defrosting, or the refrigerator is noisy or loud. The refrigerator has defrost drain problems, or maybe the refrigerator's leaking water. Whatever your problem, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.